So we had a pool designer come today to look at our beach yard and tell us how much the pool's going to be to install. As you can see, they drew out the shape of it. Now, this guy told us to not make this particular palm tree an island because it'll pull the roots and then we'll die. We don't want that with this fabulous tree that's in front of our bedroom and living room and everything. So we're going to go around it. And so this is the general shape of the pool. This little guy here is going to be, of course, moved somewhere else on property. But this is basically the shape of it. We're going to have a nice little pool. Hopefully in a few months when they can start. And you see that little tree lights. When it gets darker, they really light up our palm trees, which is nice. And then we got a nice view of the palapa here. I don't know the price yet, but he will